Hello everyone! In this video, we will see how to make a horizontal video vertical in CapCut. So, let's get into it. First of all, let's find the CapCut app on your phone screen and tap to open it. Once the app opens up on the screen, let's create a new project to convert the video into vertical format. Tap on New Project, and it will open your phone gallery for you. Select a video, and then tap on Add from the bottom of the screen to import it onto the track. Let's play the video to have a preview before making any changes. To make this video vertical, what you need to do is, from the bottom menu bar, find Aspect Ratio and tap to open it. Here you can see some options with different ratios, but we are going to select 9:16 to make this video vertical, then tap on the tick mark to apply. Now let's adjust the video in the selected aspect ratio. Select the footage on the track, and then stretch it to make it fit in the frame and adjust its position accordingly. Once you are done, let's play the video to have a preview. Once it looks good, from the top of the screen, select the video quality to 4K. Change the frame rate per second and bitrate if needed. Once you are done with these settings, tap on the arrow icon to export the video. And that's it. This is how you can make a horizontal video vertical in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.